Mr. Stevenson.
I'm sorry, and you are?
Sue. Sue Heck.
And what do you play?
I don't play anything. I'm the future Perfect Attendance Award recipient, but only if you can prove I was here on October 13th. See, I went to the orthodontist and I'm a gum bleeder, so I went to the school nurse, and then Allison Scott came in.
Oh, Allison Scott! Great girl.
Yeah, she's awesome. Anyway, so she left band practice, so I had to come in and get her purse.
Now that you say it, I do remember someone disrupting our practice. We were getting ready for our fall concert.
That's right, and you were taping it. You were taping your rehearsal! Mr. Stevenson, please tell me you have that tape!